Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by eliminating the simplest faults that often fix things fast. Check the modem and router lights. If you see red or no activity, proceed. Once done, unplug the modem for 30 seconds, then the router for 30 seconds. This clears transient errors in firmware and DHCP leases. Then power the modem first, wait for stable sync, and power the router. Make sure to test with a wired connection to determine whether Wi-Fi is the problem or the upstream link. Once your devices are powered and you've isolated wired versus wireless, inspect network settings to find persistent faults. You should check your device's IP, gateway, and DNS. Renew the lease if the address is missing. Then run a speed and ping test to your ISP gateway to identify upstream packet loss or latency. These signal ISP or line issues. Make sure the router firmware is current, DHCP range matches your device count, and no firewall or co-S rule is throttling traffic. To finish, restore normal operation without overriding working settings. Back up your router configuration before any factory reset. If issues persist, bypass the router by connecting a device directly to the modem. This confirms whether the router or ISP is at fault. If direct connection still fails, gather logs, ping/speed data, and times of outages, then contact your ISP support. Key troubleshooting tip: when you call, provide modem sync stats and packet loss measurements. Technicians fix problems faster with that evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.